How to put a border in MS Word Mobile. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you how you can put a border in your MS Word. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified for when we release a new video. Now without any further ado, let's dive right in. First step, locate your MS Word and then open it up. After you've opened up your MS Word, you can head over to a MS Word document that you already have or tap on the plus icon on the top right. Then you can create a document. I'll just select a blank document from here. And after selecting that, you can now start with the edit. Now let's tap on this icon right here, which will show us our page. Now zoom out. After doing that, tap on the edit option. And after doing that, you'll need to tap on this home option and select insert. After selecting insert, you will see multiple options. You'll need to tap in text box. You can now add whatever you want. So add the borders, add the text box as you want in your border. There you can see there is a border now. If I just head back, leave it be, there you'll notice the border. And it's that simple. All you have to do is add a text box. And that's basically it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye. Take care.